Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to reset YouTube settings on Android to fix any playback, search or recommendation issues you might be facing. It's simple, quick and super effective, so stay tuned till the end. Now, let's get started. Step 1 first. Take your phone and open the YouTube app. Make sure you're using the latest version from the Play Store for better performance and compatibility. Then tap on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top or bottom right side of the screen. Step 2, from the menu that appears, look at the top section and find the Google account option. Tap on it to proceed. This is where your YouTube data and preferences are linked. Step 3, once you're in the account menu, scroll down and tap on the data and privacy option. Then keep scrolling until you find the YouTube history option and tap on it to open. Step 4, now scroll down and select manage history. Here you'll see a full list of your watch and search activities on YouTube. Step 5, if you've decided to delete them, tap on the delete option. You'll see several time range choices appear. To remove everything, tap on delete all time. Confirm your choice and you've successfully reset YouTube settings to default. Step 6, alternatively, you can do it directly from your phone's settings. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon to open the main menu. Step 7, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show all installed applications on your device. Step 8, now find and open the YouTube app, then go to the storage section. Here you'll see two options appear, clear cache and clear data. Tap on both options and this will completely reset YouTube settings on Android. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you fix your problem, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay connected with Fix Your Apps for more helpful Android tutorials.